Ano po? Pakiulit. Ulitin mga 1, 2, 3.
Hello guys, welcome vlog.
Welcome to my vlog. Ulit. Welcome
To
my vlog. Welcome to my vlog. To my vlog. To my vlog.
vlog.
Okay, ulit. Balik ka dun. Doon ka muna. Tapos, hi guys. Go. Come.
Hello guys, welcome vlog.
Hi guys. We're here with Scarlett and her mama. We're eating tinapay and
Service.
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 Wow.
Service.
Is this mine? Yes.
Cake.
Cake? Tinapay lang to eh. Sarap. Did you cook this one? Yes po. So yummy. I love it. What is your name?
My name is Tyler Ruben Lomas.
How old are you?
I am 54.
Where do you live?
I live in Lowell, London, 39.
What is your talent?
Singing.
Singing? Can you sing for us?
Yes, Mama.
Go. Can you sing?
Let go.
Where are you going? Ay, let it go, pare. Oh. Yay! You're so very good. You're a talented baby. You can sing, you can dance. Do you know how to count numbers?
Yes, Mama.
Okay, can you count numbers for us?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Go. 31.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Yay! You're very good. Galing. Anong pagkain ay mapiling? Ito, sabes. Ito na ng gatas. Yeah, right. Service. Go. Galing nga. Galing magbilang ng